Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I have a Boxycharm unboxing haul for you guys. It is the BoxyLuxe and the Boxy Premium. So I did get those two this month, the month of March. So I wanted to show you guys the boxes and what comes in each and every one of them, and also if you guys were thinking about getting it. Hopefully this video will help you guys out and choose if you guys want to stick with the premium or just the BoxyLuxe. And I think the BoxyLuxe, or I think you can upgrade to the BoxyLuxe with the Boxy Premium, because you have between the basic and the Boxy Premium. But this month I just got the premium and the BoxyLuxe, and then next month I'll get the premium and the regular Boxycharm. But yeah guys, so hopefully this video helps you guys out if you guys were thinking about purchasing it. So yeah guys, if you're interested, keep on watching. So the very first box I have here is the Boxy Premium. I wanted to show you guys this one because it is only $35 a month. It's less expensive than the BoxyLuxe, and it comes with 7 to 8 products every month, and this month was probably the best month I've seen from Boxy Premium, what they posted like on their Instagram page and everything. So yeah, it is the Boxy Premium box had like my favorite brand. Like, I was shook. So basically it had all one brand, 7 products I believe of all one brand. It is my favorite. It is one of my favorite brands. So yeah guys, I was very excited to receive this box. I was on the waiting list for this box, and I literally signed up one day, and then like a couple of days later I was already in it. So I was like, wow. I think there is a wait list for this, for the Boxy Premium. I'm not sure, but you guys can check. But yeah guys, let's get into the box. So basically when you open the box, this is what, oh dang, I already showed you guys. This is what it looks like. It has like this thing on top of it, and you guys can see it's Boxycharm by Fenty Beauty. So yes, it is Fenty Beauty. This box does contain a lot of Fenty Beauty products. Well, all Fenty Beauty products. A lot of Fenty Beauty products. So this is how the box looks. So let me show you what's in the box. Oh god. Okay, so the first product that I want to show you guys is, it comes with a Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. So oh my god, I can't believe I got this. I'm super excited to use this. I love Fenty Beauty highlighters. But yeah, it comes with the Kilowatt one. It's like the gold one. So it does come in this shade right here. Very pretty, very gold, nice for the summer since summer is coming up. So I did get this, and I believe this retails, let me show you guys. I have the little thing. Every box does come with this little card that does tell you like each how much each item costs, and the highlighter cost $36. It's in the shade Trophy Wife. So yeah, it is $36. So let's move on to the next item. The next item on here is the Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. If you guys know me personally, you guys know that I'm obsessed with Fenty Beauty glosses. It does come in this pretty like holographic white shade. But yeah, really pretty. I can't wait to use it. And the Gloss Bomb retails for $19. So $19, 36 and 19. Then the next item that we did get in the box is the blotting sheets, the Fenty Beauty blotting sheets. They're actually pretty cool because they come in like a little box where you can store them in, and then just like have them with you all the time. So the blotting sheets do retail for $16. So yeah. And the next item that we have here is a matchstick. It's a shimmer skin stick, and it's in the shade Chili Mango. Well, let's see if I can open it. So the shade does come like this. Very pretty, very sleek. I love it. And the shade does look like this. It's like a little bit too orange for my liking, but when you swatch it, it does look a little bit too orange for my liking. But I think once you smooth it out, it looks like gold. Let's see. Yeah, see, so once you smooth it out, it doesn't look that orange. But you can definitely use this color for the summer. It look very shimmery. So yeah, the matchstick does retail for $25. So $25 you can get the matchstick. And the next item on here is this Fenty Beauty Plush Matte Lipstick. Let's see, it's in the color Single. Oh, I love the packaging. And it does come in a shade like this. Let's see if you can get it. It does come in this shade, like a nude shade. Love my nudes. Nudes are my favorite type of lipsticks, honestly, because I just feel like they just look good. They look really good on anybody. And the, let's see, the matte lipstick does retail for $18. So $18 you can get the matte lipstick. And then the last item we have in the Boxy premium box is this Fenty Beauty palette. It is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. Oh my god, like you can see all the shades behind it. Just looks so nice. I love Fenty Beauty's packaging. They're super sleek. And let's open it. I love this. Oh my god, look how pretty it looks. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so then you open it and it looks like this. The shades are also very, very pretty. I don't even want to swatch it because it just looks so pretty, but you can tell how pretty this looks. Yeah guys, so it does come with a mirror inside and everything. And yeah, the palette does retail for $29. So let's see, I'll do the math right now on how much this box was. So yeah guys, we did get all these products in the Boxy Premium, all Fenty products. I'm so excited, I can't believe it. Okay guys, so I am going to add the total of everything that we got just so I can tell you how much it is. So for the highlighter it was $36, the shimmer stick was $25, the palette was $29, the gloss was $19, the matte lipstick was $18, and then the last thing was the blotting sheets, which was $16. So everything in total would have been $143 in Sephora, but if you got it with like Boxycharm, you would only spend $35 with them. So $35 versus $143, you literally almost save $110. So worth it? Yes. Okay guys, so that's it for the Boxy Premium box. I really did like my Boxy Premium box. It was really exciting because I got all Fenty products and I love Fenty Beauty. So yeah guys, it's very worth it. Okay guys, so the next box that we have here, it is the BoxyLuxe box. The BoxyLuxe box, you only get it once every 3 months and you pay $50 every 3 months for it. It has 7 to 8 items I believe as well, but it is a little bit more expensive than the Boxy Premium. So yeah, let's get to unboxing the BoxyLuxe box. It does come in this box like this month. I think because it has something long in here, I'm not even sure. But yeah guys, let's get to unboxing it. So when you open it, I took out the paper from here, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It should have the black paper that the other box had, but I took it out. Okay guys, so the BoxyLuxe box should come with a little card as well, but I think I threw it away or somebody threw it away, I don't even know. But the first item we do have here is this PMD cleaning brush. Oh my god, I've been wanting one of these to clean my face with because it's just, I've heard a lot of good things about it, and it's silicone, and the one that I have is not silicone, so I feel like this one would clean my face even better. So yeah guys, this retails for $99. This is $99 at the store. Okay guys, so the next item we do have here is this Boxycharm palette. You can only get this palette if you're subscribed to Boxycharm, or to the BoxyLuxe I mean. But it is really pretty. I love the shades. Very summer vibe, summer and fall vibe. So I'm gonna be using this palette in the summer. But yeah guys, this palette you can only get if you're subscribed to them, unfortunately. But it is a really pretty palette. Let's see. And for the next item, we have a Suture Beauty 19 millimeters mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip, and it's in the color pastel yellow. Let's see. Let's see this wand. Okay guys, so the wand is really tiny, but I guess for traveling sizes this would be really good if you're like going traveling and stuff like that, so you don't have to carry like such a big wand with you. But yeah guys, it is in the color yellow. Very pretty. I'm just gonna put that back in there. So yeah guys, it does come in pastel yellow, and I think other people got like purple or green, I'm not sure. But yeah, other people got a different color. But this is a really good tool for if you're traveling, or if you're going to, you know, somewhere and you're not going to be home. This would be a very, very good tool, so you don't have to carry like a big wand with you. That way it doesn't take up too much space. So that's why I love mini tools, and I'm very excited that I got that. And that retails for, let's see. Okay, so the wand does retail for $70. $70 for the little wand. So you're paying only $35 and you get a $70 wand. And then the next item that well, items, because there are two mini ones. We did get two mini Sol de Janeiro. Janeiro? I don't know if I'm saying it right. But yeah, it is a Coco Cabana cream and the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. They are body creams. Yeah, they are body creams. They're really hydrating. I've actually tried these before. Love them. Mini sizes for traveling, essential for the summer. And those mini ones, I believe they retail for like $25. Let me check to make sure. Okay guys, so the mini creams that we got, they do retail for $20 at Sephora, and I believe anywhere else they're $20. But yeah, essential for the summer. Traveling doesn't take up that much space in your bag. And the next item that we got, I'm actually really excited about these. I don't know why, but they're probably my favorite things that came in the BoxyLuxe this month. Oh my gosh. And they are these little metal straws. You get the 4 metal straws with the little cleaning bristle. Oh my god. I'm actually really excited to use these because I've been wanting metal straws. I always get like the plastic reusable ones at like Starbucks and stuff like that. But I finally got metal straws and I'm really excited to use these actually. And let's see, they're from Bombshell Baker. I've never heard of the brand, but let's see how much they are. So the metal straws retail for $40. Okay, so $40 for metal straws. Okay, so $40 for metal straws. Okay, so the next item that we have here is this NARS lip pigment. So it is like a liquid lipstick basically, and it is in the color Warm. It's this really pretty like fuchsia shade. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it is this pretty fuchsia shade. Honestly, it's not my ideal shade because I don't really like wearing like pinks and reds and all those crazy colors. I'm not a big fan of them just because I feel like they make my lips look extra small. So I don't wear these type of colors, but NARS, love NARS. And I believe that those retail for like $20 something. NARS liquid lipstick. Let's see. Yeah, so I was right. Those retail for $26 at Sephora and Ulta and stuff like that. Retail for $26. And then the next item we have here is this Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I'm excited for this too because you know me, I love highlight. I love me a good highlight. Let's see how good this looks. Alright, oh, okay, so it's like a shimmer. You can see it here. It's a shimmer shade, very warm. Nice for like fall and winter, I believe. You can wear it for summer, but for summer I love being super glowy, so I feel like the Fenty one would be better. But I love Becca, so. And then I believe, let's see how much this retails for. Okay, so this retails for $28 at Ulta and Sephora. So $28 for the glaze glow stick. Okay guys, so for the last item in the BoxyLuxe box, I did get these clear scrunchies. I don't think they're called scrunchies, but they're for your hair and they're very pretty. This is actually one of my favorite items too, because I've always wanted these, but I just never got around to buying them, and now I don't have to. So yeah, clear and looks good in the hair. You just put it up and everything, and it doesn't crease your hair. Yeah, it doesn't crease your hair, so very good for that. Okay guys, so in the BoxyLuxe box we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 items actually. Okay, so it might be like 8 or 9 items that you get every month. But yeah guys, we did get this, all of this. And then we did get all of this as well. Okay guys, so everything that was in this box besides the Boxy palette, because I don't know how much that retails for, everything was $254 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah guys, $254 and you only pay $50. So literally you're saving more than $200 on this box, and you get all these items for just $50. So yeah guys, that's why I really like Boxycharm, because you pay, okay, I'm not gonna say it's a little bit of money, but you pay a good amount of money, but you get your money's worth, if that makes sense. So yeah, you spend money, but you get more than what you spend every month. So yeah guys, I really like Boxycharm. But honestly, I would have to say that this month I really like the Boxy Premium better, because it had all Fenty, and I'm a big fan of Fenty. But yeah guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful and it helped you decide on which one you want to get. If you want to get both, go ahead. I do it because the BoxyLuxe only comes every 3 months. So, but yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on all my other social medias. I will leave them down somewhere here. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time.